Imagine a freak like you, I do. I think about you day and night. It's only right to think about those foiled plans. And I have to fight Mutant Ninja Turtles. If I should make a plan, invest the time, and you fall into my trap, and you'll be mine. Imagine how I'll get back to committing crimes. Mutant Ninja Turtles. Don't call me Ginsu, I don't open cans. You're more better. I'm the entire Foot Clan. Call me Shredder. Right, who trained you also scarred me. Where to hide, I'll find it has to be. And in the end I'll be free from Mutant Ninja Turtles. I can't see taking one, but I'll fight all four together. But I've trained as a ninja all my life. Call me Shredder. I also fight the rat that scarred me. Your ninja moves are weak, you see. It's time for me to show you the real me. Mutant Ninja Turtles. Ba 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 ba. Impossible, how did you defeat me? No matter I lose, I'd have to be the only way for me to live. Smoke, puff, and flee. Mutant Ninja Turtles. This is so controversial. How in the world there should be nonverbal? They're so infernal. Mutant Ninja Turtles. Not a rehearsal. My blood I gurgle. The Mutant Ninja Turtles.